How to transfer major token from Bybit to Bybit. Now, first of all, open the Bybit app and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on Access and tap on the Withdraw, sorry. Now tap on Withdraw and here in the search, but before that, make sure to uncheck this Hide Zero Balance option and in the search bar, type Major like that. So after you find your token, now just click on it. Now here, as you can see, wait a few seconds. And as you can see here from the top bar, select the internal transfer because we want to transfer to another Bybit account. Now you can provide the recipient account. If you have the email of that account, you can provide it here. If you have the mobile number, you can provide it here. If you have the user ID, you can provide it here also. So make sure to select one of these three options. So for example, if you have the email of that Bybit account, you can provide it here. So after you provide the email, now set the amount that you want to transfer like that. And now click on withdraw. In about a few seconds, a few minutes, that Bybit account will be able to receive that token from your account. So this is how to transfer major token from Bybit to Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.